Thatley Science News. Integrated cross-study datasets of genetic dependencies in cancer, March 2021.
The stress of COVID-19 and ensuing confinement improved cognition but worsened psychological stress. These changes were related to pre-pandemic cortisol, stress hormone profiles.
The number of twins in the world is the highest it has ever been.
Scientists used a mixture of aluminium, gallium and arsenic, building micrometer scale rings from the material on top of an insulator. When they fed laser light into such a ring, they generated entangled photon pairs at more than 1,000 times the rate of sources built from silicon on an insulator.
Hospital patients from lower socioeconomic backgrounds are less likely to receive prompt CPR after their hearts stop beating and less likely to survive than patients from higher socioeconomic backgrounds. It is the first study to show that socioeconomic status, rather than other factors, is important. Genome-wide association study in almost 195,000 individuals identifies 50 previously unidentified genetic loci for eye color. Researchers have found that tetrahydrocannabinol (THC), the psychoactive component of marijuana, stays in breast milk for up to 6 weeks, further supporting the recommendations to abstain from marijuana use during pregnancy and while a mother is breastfeeding. Neglected fungi, the gut microbiome also influence dietary outcomes. Impact of slow stomatal kinetics on photosynthesis and water use efficiency under fluctuating light plant physiology.
The theory of dark matter itself, question.
Russia deploys giant space telescope in Lake Baikal.
Getting fewer likes on social media can make teens anxious and depressed.
The expansion of old age assistance in the 1935 Social Security Act reduced mortality by 30 to 39% among those older than 65 years. An exploratory study finds that other vaccines administered in the past 1, 2, and 5 years, such as polio, MMR and Hep B, are associated with decreased SARS-CoV-2 infection rates.
Executive control differences in autism spectrum disorder may be the result of a unique approach, rather than an impairment. A brain imaging study of teens and young adults found that proactive control in those with autism is not impaired, but implemented in a unique, and not efficient, way. Electric catfish cannot be shocked and scientists don't know why. TGF-beta restricts expansion, survival, and function of T cells within the tuberculous granuloma. Ablation of T cell TGF-beta sensing improves responses and lowers bacterial burdens. France grossly underestimated radioactive fallout from atom bomb tests, study finds. Small device could warn you if you've been too still at your desk. A new study, published in the journal Vaccine, found that intention to vaccinate was highest for men, older people, individuals who identified as white, the affluent and college-educated, Democrats, and those with pre-existing medical conditions.